This is a case of Glenn Vinyas versus Mary Grace Perel Vinyas, GR number 208790, January 21, 2015. Facts. Glenn and Mary Grace were a married young couple, but after 10 years, Glenn filed a petition for the declaration of nullity of this marriage with Mary Grace pursuant to Article 36 of the Family Code. On the ground that his wife was insecure, extremely jealous, outgoing, and prone to regular resorting to any pretext to be available to leave the house, she lived as if she was single and unmindful of her husband's needs. The RTC declared the marriage between the parties null and void on account of respondent's psychological incapacity. The OSG appealed and claimed that there is no competent evidence proving that the respondent indeed suffers from narcissistic personality disorder, which prevents her from fulfilling her marital obligations. Specifically, the RTC decision failed to cite the root cause of the respondent's disorder. The RTC did not state its own findings and merely relied on the psychologist's statement. Issue: whether or not sufficient evidence exists justifying the RTC's declaration of nullity of the petitioner's marriage with his wife. Ruling: no. The Supreme Court finds that the observations and conclusions of the RTC are insufficient to warrant conclusion that a psychological incapacity existed and prevented the respondent from complying the essential obligations of marriage. Psychological incapacity is characterized by its gravity, juridical antecedents, and incurability. In this case, it failed to identify such characteristics. Hence, the petition was not granted.